One of the most common ways that people are updating their homes is changing the hardware color. They're getting away from either the antique brass or the polished brass and going to the satin nickel or the oil rub bronze. A casualty of war in doing such an exercise can be stripped holes in the hinges. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix a stripped hole. Have you ever had the clutch on your screw gun set too high and you run a screw into the jamb and voila, what happens? It strips the hole out. Essentially, the screw doesn't hold anything. You may think that the other two screws may be enough to hold the door, but let's do it right. Simply remove the screw, and there you have it, the stripped out hole in the jamb. And the answer into fixing this problem is hiding in your golf bag. Simply take a tee and drive the tee into the hole. Snap the tee off. And now the stripped hole is repaired and ready for the screw. Of course, this is the time you want to set the clutch to the proper setting on your screw gun. And there you have it, a properly repaired stripped hole in a door jamb. I hope this helps you in your home improvements.